Hey everyone, so today's video is our Boxycharm for the month of July. I have both of my boxes here. I have the premium and the regular, so we're going to go ahead and get diving into it. If you guys want to know timestamps, whether you have one box or the second box or you're more interested in one or the other, I will go ahead and link the information down below. So we're going to go ahead and get diving into it. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys will subscribe and hang out with us for a while. So let's go ahead and get diving into this. Oh, my voice is like going in and out, so I apologize if through the video I like squeak high, squeak low. I sound like a little boy going through puberty right now. I'm looking at my shipment stuff, and because both of my boxes were shipped together, it gives me a combined weight, not like separate weights. So it's, again, my throat, but it is in total, it's 4.9 pounds. We're gonna go ahead and start off with the regular box. And this month's theme is called Sunshine. First thing I have here is by Grace and Stella. This is called, it's like an energy drink for your eyes, eye mask. I did actually get something from Grace and Stella last month. Let me see this. I got this from Grace and Stella because I did get a premium box last month that I have my own subscription as well. FYI, both of these boxes are sent to me through Boxycharm, but I do also have my own subscription. So when that box comes in, which it should be on its way here in the next couple of days, I will do an unboxing for that so you guys can see the different variations. And I will kind of just recap what I get in this box versus the other box, because I know there's quite a few of you guys that always ask me to do like 2 different boxes so you guys can see the variations that there are. I believe this is what I got inside of it. It's the Grace and Stella face mask, which is kind of big and bulky. I couldn't believe how big it was. But these are the eye masks, and they come with 12 pairs. I'm gonna play around with it. I thought it'd be kind of fun to do like a girls' night with my girlfriends, and all of us could do a mask together. The thing I have here is by 111 Skin. This is the NAC Pollution Defense Booster, and this retails for $135. That is so expensive. We have gotten stuff from this brand before. I want to say that I have tried some of their other items as well, and it's supposed to help with protection against pollutants and screen emitted artificial visible light. Next up I have here is by, what do we have? Oh my gosh, every time, I can't ever say this brand. Anyways, we have it from this brand. I'll write it right here because you guys know what I'm probably going to say. And this is a Fierce and Fine graphic pen, which retails for $21. I have the shade, I think it's just a black one. So here you have it. It's just like a really fine point pen. It is bleeding in between my wrinkles on the back of my hand. It is drying down to a matte finish, which is great. I don't know about you guys, but I prefer more of like a matte finish for my eyeliner. Then we move into Pure Cosmetics. This is the Festival palette. It is a 12-piece pressed pigment palette. Oh my gosh, look at the holographic on this. This is so cool. I assume these are all the colors that are right here. So this here retails for $36. I will say, I know that Boxycharm has collabed with Pure Cosmetics in the past before, and I do have some of their palettes, and I like them. I thought they actually had pretty decent quality, and I liked the way that they worked when I did tutorials using them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes, and then the rest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are what either looks to be like a pressed glitter or like a metallic finish. So this is, let's start here. That's Euphoric right there. This one here, which is Pure Bliss. Let's try this one, Turn Up. I can't get enough of this color. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like a hot pink. The camera does not, I feel like the camera doesn't pick up the hot pink very well. There you go. Let's do Vibes. Some of these are like super foiled, as you can see, like they're so buttery and foiled. I think they're gonna work best without a brush and just your fingers. So there are just a few of the swatches. Let's do one more. I want to do this one at the bottom called VIP Pass. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I'm like super turned on by that hot pink right there. And I'm kind of impressed with this palette because even though it's like a festival palette, I don't know why, but I expected these colors to be a little bit more like lighter, maybe neon, like yellows and baby blues and purples. I don't know why, and I kind of like that it's got a little bit more richness to it, which explains why it's called the 2.0. Maybe that's the whole point, but I like the color tones on it. Like I can actually see myself using that palette. And then the very last thing I have in here, it looks like Hourglass packaging. It is. This is the Hourglass Arch Micro Sculpting Pencil. And this here retails for $28. Like almost matches my hair, doesn't it? All right, so I have the shade Dark Brunette. Awesome. I was like hoping that this was going to not be a dud. Yes, Dark Brunette would be right along what I would have. Ooh, I like how sleek this is. So here's what it looks like. It's really sleek. It's very slim, just like the ABH brow pencils. Most brow pencils that I work with are round shaped, like I've got like a round tip. This one has a more oval tip to it. Here you have just like a swatch of it right there. Yeah, definitely right along my color. It's a lot deeper and more cooler tone, which I prefer than like a warm tone. I actually haven't tried any other brow products. So this here retails for $28. So here's everything I got for the regular box. We're gonna go ahead and move into the premium box. Look, I forgot to curl this piece. Damn it. I'm so excited about the premium boxes. Like I find them to be my favorite ones. I think they're definitely worth the money, the price point. If you've been wondering about getting the premium box, I would definitely like pay that extra $10 if you can afford it, and definitely get it. Ooh, I'm excited. Same card. First thing I see here is like this cute bottle. This is Cuticle Revitalizing Oil with milk and honey. I actually don't I don't own anything for my cuticles, and I should. It retails for $18. I think this is awesome. I'm actually excited about this because I don't do my nails anymore. Like I just do the press-on nails. I don't go out and get my nails done, and trust me, I want to. This is definitely gonna get like added into my what do you call it, my little nail kit area. I love it. Next thing I have here is by Biro, and this is a Bitter Essence Toner. I thought it was body wash. Look at how thick that is. I don't know, every essence that I've ever used has been very thin in consistency, and it's just interesting. So this is supposed to be a conditioning treatment that saturates the skin with hydrating and purifying green ingredients to help smooth the texture of the skin and protect against dehydration. Totally up for that. All right, next thing I have here is by the Brow Bar. I have received stuff before from them. This is the Hollywood Icon Face Kit. We got like a brow powder from them a while ago, and I really liked it. I thought it did a really good job on my brows. I was not expecting that. So I just assumed it was like bronzer, contour, blush. So there you have it. It's like the whole shebang's in there, you guys. Okay, so you get the translucent powder, bronzer. I assume that's supposed to be the bronzer. Yeah. Translucent powder, there it is. 2 blushes. Are these the blushes? Somewhere in here. 4 eyeshadows and a highlight. Let's go ahead and just swatch it. So that's a translucent powder, which you're not gonna be nice to like highlight the eyes. This, I assume, is like some sort of blush. All right, so there you have the eyeshadows right there. This is the highlight. The highlight's where I really want to see. Ooh, this is supposed to be the bronzer, which I can tell you guys I would never use because I like more matte bronzers than anything. I was not expecting that. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, also it does come with a brush. These are like the best brushes because I feel like they make the best brushes like when they're tiny like this for like the inner corner or to like buff out your lower lash line. Don't lose these. They actually work really well, you guys. All right, next up I have is by Nelson. This is a moisture healing mask. It's supposed to detangle, control frizz, and prevent hair coloring from fading, seal split ends, protect it from chlorine, salt water. Ooh, it's coconut scented. You know it smells good if it's coconut scented. Oh. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Well, let's get done with this before my makeup melts off. So it smells like coconut, smells good, we're good to go. All right, next thing I have here is by Milk Makeup. This is the Kush Lash Primer. Oh, this thing is massive, and it's like got some weight to it. Oh, okay, it's a lash primer. I don't know why I was thinking it was like one of those primers that you use at bedtime to kind of like make your lashes bigger, like more volume. You know what I mean? What is it? Who's that brand? Grande? I think it's Grande that does that. I don't know why, but I had that in my mind. I'm not the biggest fan of lash primers. Like, there's a few, don't get me wrong, that I've tried before that are decent and actually work, but most lash primers tend to weigh my lashes down, and then when I go in, it like immediately they fall down. So the only one that I've actually tried that I will say I've had success with and I've really enjoyed is the Lancome one. Now, I've never paid for them because I've always gotten them for free in like little kits or whatever, but that is one that I have tried that I actually felt like it made a difference. The last thing I have here is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam Palette. It retails for $20 and it pairs up to 12 wearable anything but basic eyeshadows and matte and shimmer. So cute. He's so cute. Look at this marbling packaging on this, you guys. This is gorgeous. And then on the like side of it, it says Morphe and Manny MUA and it's got little stars. I actually do own the Drag Queen palette, I think it is from him. I own that one and I love it. I think it's like such a great palette. Like, his brand is really good. Neutral colors. Oh, I like it. Very wearable colors. I do love that. Oh, look at how pretty this is. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mattes and then 4 metallics and then 2 highlighters. So highlight number 1, highlight number 2. So there you have both highlighters. I kind of want to, this up Scorpio one is like calling my name. Oh, that's gorgeous. Then we've got Leo right there, Cancer, Spellbound. That is everything that I have in my box for the premium and the regular. You guys let me know down below if you guys know exactly what it is that you got. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to my channel and you guys want to see the next box that I get. Also, if you haven't hit that like button, please make sure to do so. It really helps out my channel. I appreciate you guys coming back and watching these unboxings with me. If you guys have any comments or questions, or you guys want to or if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, please look at the description box down below. All the information for Boxycharm, information on how to subscribe, price points, and all that good stuff will be linked down below as well. If you guys haven't seen any of my newest videos, I do upload quite frequently here on my channel. Make sure to check these out before you guys head out, and I will see you guys all in my next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.